Hello everyone and welcome to Pendulum EDU, and in this session as I am here, so we're going to discuss a set of words with you from an article and we're going to discuss it right straight away. Now, the article that I've taken today heads as the second chair on Lok Sabha Deputy Speaker. Now, the second chair, this is based on the Lok Sabha Deputy Speaker. You might be aware of the meeting held recently. Okay, so it's about that, and in Lok Sabha, what the Deputy Speaker has to say and what is the take on this particular, I would say, the decision to be made. We're going to discuss in the article today. It says convention of electing the deputy speaker from the opposition should be upheld. Convention is a noun first of all, and it's very important to know when I say convention, it's a noun, it means a meeting or a gathering. So this is basically a word that has been derived from another word, convene. Convene is a verb which means to gather or to meet, like to come together. On the other hand, I would say convention is a noun subject which means a meeting. एक तरीके का जो सम्मेलन होता है, ठीक है, जहाँ पर सब एक साथ आते हैं. So वो कह रहे हैं कि deputy speaker को, the appointment deputy speaker, when we have to appoint a deputy speaker from the opposition, this idea should be upheld. Should be upheld, be, should be plus third form. So this is third form of verb. This is for uphold. And uphold is a verb, which means it should be supported. Okay, उसको सहारा देना चाहिए, उसको बढ़ावा देना चाहिए. It should be supported, it should be upheld. It should not be denied or rejected or turned down. You have to keep it up. Let's support this. So now the meeting has been taken place. In the meeting there has been a decision that has come up to elect deputy speaker from the opposition, and they have suggested that this idea should be kept intact. More than a year after the 17th Lok Sabha was constituted, the constitutionally mandated post of deputy speaker is lying vacant. Now, after the 17th Lok Sabha was constituted, now imagine 17th Lok Sabha constituted. Since then, this mandated post of mandated here is used as an adjective which is mandatory. I'm going to write it right here. Mandated is used as an adjective in the sentence, though it can be a verb also. It means mandatory or to make something mandatory. Okay, now is lying vacant. Now this जो कि इतनी अनिवार्य पोजीशन है जिसे खाली नहीं छोड़ सकते, वो कुर्सी खाली पड़ी हुई. This unusual situation is in the spotlight. In the spotlight is a phrase. I'm going to wipe the screen and explain you. So in the spotlight is an idiom, or you can say it's a phrase, which means that it is in talks. कहते ना चर्चा में होना. तो बेसिकली ये एक डिबेटेबल टॉपिक है या ये एक सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बना हुआ है लोगों के लिए. This unusual situation. Okay, as the monsoon session of Parliament begins on Monday and the Rajya Sabha is scheduled to elect a deputy chairman, the vacancy of deputy speaker appears to be less of a lapse and more a calculated delay by the ruling BJP. Now they say that if given a closer look to the situation, then it seems that the delay in appointment of a deputy speaker is not by chance or lapse of time. No, it is a calculated delay. ये एक तरीके की सोची समझी चाल है या सोचा समझा हुआ डिसीजन है कि जितना हो सके उतना डिले करते हैं डेप्यूटी स्पीकर की अपॉइंटमेंट में. इससे जो रूलिंग पार्टी है उसको तो बेनिफिट होगा ही डेफिनेटली. सो जैसे कि जो बीजेपी है, दैट इज रूलिंग पार्टी, वो एक तरीके का ये कैलकुलेटेड स्टेप या कैलकुलेटेड डिले उन्होंने इस चीज़ को कहा. ऑन September 9, the Congress leader in the Lok Sabha, Adhir Ranjan. Now remember this. He stated this, Chaudhary, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, wrote to Speaker Om Birla to initiate the process. Now Congress leader, that is the opposition, he initiated it. Now see, it's very obvious when you're talking about a deputy speaker coming from the opposition. Why would a ruling party be interested in appointing? Ruling party would definitely opt to delay as much as possible. It would opt that let the seat be vacant for as many years as possible, right? Or as much time as possible. So the speaker is, Lok Sabha speaker is Mr. Om Birla. Remember this in perspective of the current affairs. So the opposition leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, he wrote to the speaker that the process should be initiated of appointing a deputy speaker, either by election or consensus. Consensus is noun which is a general agreement, जिसे हिंदी में हम कहते हैं आम सहमति. जो आपसी सहमति है या तो उससे अपॉइंट कर लीजिए या इलेक्ट कर लीजिए, बट द प्रोसेस शुड बी इनिशिएटेड नाउ. Mr. Chaudhary also recalled the convention of offering the post to opposition Mr. Birla has been non-committal in his public comments on the issue, and the BJP has remained silent. Now he's saying Mr. Chaudhary has recalled convention, this meeting. He has recalled the meeting that is offering the post to the opposition. But Mr. Birla, that is the speaker, has been non-committal in his public comments. Like he has not stated or not committed in the public or publicly. He has not stated yet that the process has to be initiated or things have come up that we're thinking to appoint deputy speaker. So, and also the ruling party, that is BJP, it has also kept quiet up until now. So when I say non-committal, it is an adjective which means not committed to. Okay, something that is not committed to. So he is not committed in his public comments. He has not abided by what has been discussed or what has been written to him by the Congress leader, that is Mr. Chaudhary. Okay, so and the ruling party is also quiet. It has kept silent. So there are things to see or to perceive ahead. Soon after the 2019 general election, the government had made some effort to fill the position. After 2019 general election, the government tried to push or made an effort to fill the position, but post that nothing has been done yet. So it is a point of concern that a deputy speaker's position lying vacant for this long time, and nobody is willing to take a step or a decision ahead. Further, the writer says it had approached the YSR Congress, which reportedly turned it down, since it would have been difficult to align the protest against the government for not according special status to Andhra Pradesh with occupying the post. Now, I said that it had also approached the YSR Congress, which recently or reportedly turned it down. Turn down is a phrase which means reject. To reject, nakar dena. Okay. So it would be difficult to align the protest against, because they said that if we are the deputy speaker or someone from YSR Congress is deputy speaker, it would be difficult for them to stand or to put against the leading party of the government, that is the ruling party. While the Congress has been forceful in raising the issue, other opposition parties have been less enthusiastic. In the Rajya Sabha, the JDU's Harivansh, who has been re-elected to the House, is seeking re-election as deputy chairman, as a ruling combines candidate. So you have JDU's Harivansh. He was re-elected to the House and now he is seeking re-election as deputy chairman. He was re-elected to the House, that is Rajya Sabha. Now he is looking to be the re-election for the deputy chairman. Okay, he had defeated Congress leader B.K. Hari Prasad 125 of 105 votes in elections in August 2018. So he is up here. Now this is again important as per your current affairs perspective. Remember his name, that is Harivansh. The ruling combined, despite not having a simple majority, though both the combination, though the ruling and combined, they don't have together also a simple majority, has managed to win crucial votes. When I say crucial is an adjective which means important, or I can also say vital. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं जरूरी, आवश्यक. Okay? Crucial votes several times over in the past in the upper house. This time around, BJP leaders have claimed support of 140 members for Mr. Harivansh. Now, earlier, though they didn't have the majority, but at present, they are vouching for the BJP leaders. They are vouching for that they would have 140 members in support of Mr. Harivansh. The RJD's Manoj Jha, an erudite member. And now, erudite, I'm going to wipe up the screen and explain it to you. Erudite. When I say erudite, okay, this is the word right here. It is an adjective which means someone who is a learned person, or you can say an expert or a scholar. That is an erudite. ठीक है, जो बहुत ही विद्वान होता है. Okay, that vidwan. This is not. I'm going to write it again. Okay. In the opposition, so Mr. Manoj Jha was an erudite member. He was a scholar or a learned person in the opposition. Is the joint candidate of 12 parties for the post. Now there are 12 parties and who are fighting for the post, and Mr. Manoj Jha is part of 12 parties, a joint candidate of 12 parties. There was confusion within the opposition ranks on whether this contest was worth it. Now, joint candidates, so the joint parties are there. So one candidate is there in joint candidate for 12 different parties for the same post. So there was a lot of confusion. So the opposition was so confused that whether this is worth it or not. The contest is worth it or not. Further, it has been said several of the senior members are likely to skip the session considering the risk of COVID-19 infection. The BSP, which has remained a reluctant opposition party. Reluctant is an adjective which means hesitant. Okay, जो थोड़े से जिद्दी कह सकते हैं आप रहे हैं, is unlikely to be different this time. Is unlikely to, मतलब वो थोड़े से अलग लग रहे हैं इस बारी वो hesitant या जिद्दी नहीं लग रहे. The BJP has taken its overwhelming parliamentary majority. Overwhelming. It is an adjective which means full of, or you know, the intensity of something, increased intensity of something. कहते हैं अधिक, किसी चीज़ का अधिक होना. So it has taken its overwhelming parliamentary majority, जितनी भी उनको majority मिली ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, as a justification for disregarding not only the opposition but also parliamentary convention. So what has BJP done? The majority that has got, the overwhelming, जितना ज़्यादा majority, उन्होंने उसको इस तरह से लिया, उन्होंने disregard कर दिया बाकी ना सिर्फ opposition को, जबकि उन्होंने जो parliamentary conventions थे, या आप कह सकते हैं, मैंने आपको बताया था, convention is noun which is a meeting. So जो parliamentary जो meetings रही हैं उनको भी उन्होंने disrespect किया, disregard किया, neglect करा. Its refusal to engage the opposition in electing a deputy speaker, वो refuse ही करे जा रहे हैं. See, the ruling party is almost neglecting or avoiding to appoint or to have an appointment of deputy speaker from the opposition, and is further eroding, destroying or disturbing. Eroding is a verb which means destroying, किसी चीज को नष्ट करना. So वो इसको खराब करे जा रहे हैं. The common ground that India sorely requires to deal with the multitude of its current challenges. Sorely, that is necessarily, that is importantly. India को बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है जिस चीज़ की, like to a great intensity of, like किसी चीज़ की बहुत आवश्यकता है इंडिया को और आप उसी चीज़ को खराब करे जा रहे हैं. Multitude, that is numerous challenges that the country is facing at present time. The BJP's preeminence has also devastated, destroyed. It's a verb which means destroyed, khatam karna, tehs nehs karna. The opposition which is struggling to muster. Muster is a verb which means to gather, ekatra karna, इकट्ठा करना. Okay, a coherent and united response. जहाँ पर opposition लगी हुई है कि उनको एक मत डिसीजन मिल जाए, वहीं बीजेपी उनको बर्बाद करने पर तुली हुई है. Election by consensus of an opposition MP as Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha will be a course correction. Now it has been suggested the best possible option would be that on the basis of consensus, that is a general agreement, एक आम सहमति के तहत अगर आप अपॉइंट कर लेते हैं लोग किसी ऑपोजिशन एमपी को एज अ डिप्टी स्पीकर, तो ये एक बेस्ट डिसीजन होगा. अदरवाइज आपस में लड़ाई झगड़ा एंड द टसल वुड गो ऑन एंड देयर वुड नॉट बी एन अपॉइंटेड डिप्टी स्पीकर, प्लस देयर वुड बी अगेन पॉलिटिकल डिस्कॉर्ड. ओके, पॉलिटिकल डिस्कॉर्ड मतलब डिसएग्रीमेंट आ जाएगा, आपसी मतभेद हो जाएंगे, and then it would be a problem again for another problem, right, would arise. The government should be magnanimous and the opposition creative in dealing with this issue. गवर्नमेंट को थोड़ा मैग्नानिमस होना पड़ेगा और ऑपोजिशन को थोड़ा सा क्रिएटिव. सो क्रिएटिव हम समझ गए, उनको अपनी अप्रोच में थोड़ा क्रिएटिव होना चाहिए, बट गवर्नमेंट को, रूलिंग पार्टी को मैग्नानिमस होना चाहिए. मतलब I would wipe off the screen and explain you the meaning. Magnanimous is an adjective which means उनको थोड़ा kind होना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा उदार होना पड़ेगा, अपना थोड़ा सा kind nature दर्शाना होगा, थोड़ा सा soft होना पड़ेगा instead of being harsh. Only then we could come up to a solution or to common agreement point, and that is much needed at present. So this is what has been discussed about the appointment of deputy speaker and even the ruling party. See, whenever it comes to political background or agenda, things are always chaotic. Like you don't know, but there is a mess somewhere. At present, the ruling party is creating the mess. It doesn't want opposition to be elected or any opposition member to be elected as a deputy speaker. Now, which is a thing to consider, but it is not correct. It's not appropriate. So this was the article for today, and these are the words that we had to discuss with you. Kindly remember the word magnanimous for today. I want you to use this word. See, magnanimous, another word for magnanimous is benevolent, which means kind. Okay, so you can practice this word, frame your sentences, comment below and let us know. If you have doubts, you can write to us. Also, the list of the words that have been discussed today are there on the site. You have to go to the study material section in the Hindu vocab part. You would get the word list right there. So start practicing and learning. I will see you in the next session soon. Till then, keep learning and growing, and as I always say, do not forget to hit the like button to the video and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you so much.